Hi children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 4, subtraction. Subtraction means to less the numbers.
Next, subtraction without borrowing. Example 1. Umesh had 28 pencils. He used 16 pencils. How many pencils remained with him? So first, 28 minus 16. In 28, 2 tens, 8 ones. In 16, 1 10, 6 1. So first place ones, 8 minus 6. So cancel 6. Next here also 6. Balance is 1, 2. So 8 minus 6 balance 2. So here 2 minus 1. So 1 10 you can cancel. Here also 1. Here also balance is 1. Total 12. So 8 minus 6 2. 2 minus 1 1. Next example 2. Pavitra spent 23 rupees out of 36. How much money does she have with her? So in 36, 3 10, 6 ones. In 23, 2 10, 3 ones. So first place ones, 6 minus 3. So 3 you can cancel. Here also balance is 1 2 3. 6 minus 3 3. Next 3 minus 2. So 2 10 you can cancel. Here also and here also. 3 minus balance is 1 10. 3 minus 2 1. 3 ones are subtracted from 6 ones, 3 ones remaining. Next 2 tens are subtracted from 3 10, balance is 1 10. Next example 3. Kamala had 46 beads. She gave 25 beads to Savita. How many beads are remaining with Kamala? So here you can list 46 minus 25. So in 46, 4 10, 6 unit. In 25, 2 10 and 5 ones. So first place ones, 6 minus 5. You can cancel 5 bits. Here also balance is 1. Next 4 minus 2. So you can cancel 2 10. 1 2. Here also 1 2. Balance is 2. So 6 minus 5 1. Next 4 minus 2 2. So 6 minus 5 1. 4 minus 2 2. Next example 4. Subtract 17 from 29. So in 29, 2 10, 9 ones. In 17, 1 10, 7 ones. So first less units, 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7. So 7 bits you can cancel. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Balance 1 2. Next here 2 minus 1. 1 10 you can cancel. 1 10. Here also balance is 1. Right here 9 minus 7 2. 2 minus 1 1. So 9 minus 7 2. Next 2 minus 1, 1. Total balance 12. Next, example 4. Radha had 45 rupees. She bought one instrument box for 32 rupees. How much money remained with her? So first write amount. Radha had 45. So amount paid for instrument box 32. So you can less 45 minus 32. First less you once 5 minus 2. So here also 2 cancel. Here also you can cancel 2. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is balance. Next less tens. 4 minus 3. So 3 10 cancel. Here also 3 10. Balance 1 10. So 5 minus 2 3. 4 minus 3 1. So subtract 2 ones from 5 ones. Ones remaining. Ones. How many remaining? 5 minus 2 balance 3 ones remaining. Next. Subtract 3 tens from 4 tens, remaining tens. So 4 minus 3 balance 110. 110 remaining. Next exercise first main. Follow the example and subtract the following. Example 38 minus 14. In 38 3 10 and 8 unit. In 14 110 4 unit. So first you can less units. So 8 minus 4. So 4 ones you can less. Here also 1 2 3 4. Balance count 1 2 3 4. So 8 minus 4 4. Next 3 minus 1. So 110 you can less 1. Here also 1. Balance 1 2. So balance is 2. 210. 3 minus 1 2. So total balance is 24. So first less units 8 minus 4 4. 3 minus 1 2. Total balance is 24. Next first one 48 minus 27. In 48 4 10 8 unit. In 27 2 10 7 units. So first less ones. So 8 minus 7. 7 lines you can cut. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So balance is 1. Next 4 minus 2. So you can less 2 10 1 2. Here also 1 2. Balance is 2 10. So 8 minus 7 1. 4 minus 2 2. Here also write 8 minus 7 1. 2 minus 1. Sorry. So here one small mistake. Here write 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 2. So total balance is 21. So 8 minus 7 1. 4 minus 2 2. Next second one 36 minus 13. So in 36 3 10 6 unit. In 13 1 10 3 unit. So first less units are ones. 6 minus 3. So 3 ones you can less 1 2. Here also 1 2 3. Balance is 1 2 3 ones. Ones are units. 1 2 3. So 6 minus 3, balance is 3. Next 3 minus 1. So you can less 110 here also and here also 1, 2. Balance is 210. 1, 2. So 3 minus 1, 2. Here also write 6 minus 3, 3 and 3 minus 1, 2. Total balance is 23. Next third one, 65 minus 21. In 65, 6 10, 5 unit. In 21, 2 10, 1 unit. Unit are ones. So 5 minus 1. So 1 you can less here. Here also 3 1. Here also same. You can less 1. Balance is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones balance. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1, 4. Here also right. Next 6 minus 2. So you can less 2 10. 1, 2 here also 1, 2. Balance is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10 balance. Right here 1, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10. So 6 minus 2 balance 4. Here also write 4. 6 minus 2 4. 6 minus 2 4. So total balance is 44. Next second mean, follow the example and subtract the following. For example, subtract 32 from 45. So here if 2 units are subtract from 5 units is how many units remain? So you can less now 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 balance 3 unit. Next 4 minus 3. So if 3 tens are subtract from 4 tens, balance is 1 10 remains. Next second one, subtract 27 from 39. So you can less 39 minus 27. So first less units 9 minus 7. So you can use finger 9 minus 7. 9 you can less 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So balance is 1, 2. So 9 minus 7 balance is 2. Next 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1, 2. Balance is 1. So if 7 units are subtracted from 9 unit, 2 units remain. Next, if 2 tens are subtracted from 3 tens, balance 1 10 remains. Next, second one, subtract 22 from 66. So first less you can subtract 6 units. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. 1, 2. Balance is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2, 4. Here you can less 10. 6 minus 2, 4. So if 2 units are subtracted from 6 units, balance 6 units remain. Next, if 2 tens are subtracted from 6 tens, 4 tens remain. Next, third one, subtract 10 from 48. So first less units 8 minus 0. So if downside 0 in subtract, you can write only number. Next 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. 1 less. 1, 2, 3. So if 0 unit are subtracted from 8 units, so 8 units remain. Next, if 110 is subtracted from 410, balance 310 remain. Next, subtract 17 from 39. So first list units 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Balance 1, 2. So 9 minus 7. Balance 2. Next 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So balance 1, 2. So if 7 units are subtracted from 9 units, 2 units remain. Next, if 110 is subtracted from 3 tens, balance 210 remain.
Thank you, children.